Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. This is Roberto from Las Vegas, Nevada. And sa araw na to, tunghayan lang po natin sandali ang isang online site tungkol sa mga lalaki na naghahanap ng pag-ibig sa kapwa lalaki. Dito sa particular site na ito, they have almost 50,000 members. Within that number of people, dapat makakahanap ka na ng kahit isa, hindi ba? And that's all we need, isa lang. And people, they do take their pictures in many different places. There is a bathroom, there is a bedroom, there is a place of work, there is an outdoor. Kaya it's up for you to figure out which one you would like to meet. And please don't forget to subscribe. Baka dito nyo mahanap ang inyong Mr. Right.